All right, this is Ielts speaking part one, and I'm going to ask you a number of different questions and you have to answer. Let's start with you. What is your favorite time of the day? Morning, evening, afternoon, or night?
The favorite time of my day is morning because I feel so energetic at the morning, and I do have scheduled my task for the day and I plan my day. So the favorite is because I would be in a better position to conclude my task and actually to do plans and then execute according to the plans and to conclude and to accomplish the tasks.
Okay, so your answer should be clear and focus the question. What is your favorite time of the day? Time and again, you should say, that is why I love the morning time. Therefore, morning time is my favorite, and all that. Okay, now let's go on. What do you usually do in the evenings?
In the evening, I try to uh, go on a walk for some 20-30 minutes. I think it is good for health before going to bed, and after that, I usually do dinners with the family and spend some time with the
Okay,
family.
I do dinners.
Dinners,
It's
dinner.
wrong. It should be I have my dinner. We never say do dinner. We say have dinner, eat dinner, enjoy dinner, and all that. Okay,
Right,
so you should focus the correct formation of English. We call it collocations, right?
right,
So you need to focus exact collocations like do dinner can be right in your language, but in English we say have dinner or something like that.
right.
And try to add at least a couple of sentences to your answer. Okay, let's go on. Do you sleep late at night on the weekend?
Yes, I do sleep late night on many occasions. Not on all the weekends, but on some, like on the month end when I have completed my task and the jobs are completed and I have no worries to uh, bring it to the next month. So on the end of the months, whichever the weekend it would be, I usually sleep at night lately.
Okay, so just organize your answer.